Hey everyone, it's us again.
Yep, and the birds this time.
Making a video of our birdies
And Elvis.
and my bunny. Look at him, how cute. And my little bird.
Harriette.
What, Elvis? Why are you getting out of the video?
There's Harriette.
Go over there.
And Whitey.
Look at Whitey.
That's Harriette. The other one.
And Whitey's like, hey, how about me?
The other one's Whitey.
Elvis
There's
is
Elvis.
drinking from his water bottle. And then back to our birds. Whoop, back to Elvis. How come our birds don't want to chirp?
No.
Harriette.
There we go.
Aw, there's Elvis. He was cleaning himself.
Ah, he's sniffing it again.
I'm moving his mouth. That was cute. Very, very cute.
Sniffing the can. Hey y'all. Stop. He's sniffing y'all.
Woo. Now the birds. Harriette and Whitey. Harriette. Say hi, Harriette.
Hey.
Uh-oh, there's Elvis's butt. See his little tail? He's got a cute cottontail. Whitey's gonna go eat now. And Harriette,
Both of the cages were clean today.
yep. I cleaned Elvis's cage and Lisa cleaned the birds. Aww.
Look at Whitey.
He's like, get that thing out of my face. Elvis, how come every time you clean yourself you stop when I put you on video?
I don't want anyone to see me.
Aw, I was saying hello. Alright guys, it was nice videoing for you, but all my animals want to say bye. Right, Elvis? You want to say bye.
I was like, bye.
And the bird, bye. They say bye too. And me and Lisa say bye. And look at, can you guys see Bird? He's my desktop. See, it says I love you with a kiss. Aw. What? Anyway, bye.
Bye.